Good day guys, this is Arthur Arcayan and today I will show you how to use the recycle bin for Android. Okay, this is the icon of the recycle bin and click it. So this recycle bin doesn't need your phone to be rooted, so any Android device will do. And you must see to it that you are using a third-party app that use password for the recycle bin so that it couldn't be accessed by anyone else. So in the recycle bin, you have to tap on the lower left soft key of your phone and that will pop up these choices. So you have to choose preferences. So in preferences, you will be setting the folder that you want the recycle bin to watch on. So like here, click add folder. So after adding the folder, you are allowed to choose of which memory you will use. So in my case, I am always using the phone memory, so I will choose this SD card O or the SD card 0. So under that, I will choose another folder like the DCIM folder because most of the time I accidentally deleted some photos of my camera in my phone. So I will choose the camera and then save my settings by just clicking on this one. And there, that's done. So that particular folder, which is the camera folder, are uh, being watched by the recycle bin so that every file that will be deleted from that particular folder will be automatically sent to the recycle bin for me to retrieve that. And this recycle bin supports lots of file formats like example image files, videos, audios, documents, compressed files, application, and everything else. And that's it. That's how you use the recycle bin for Android. So hope you like my video and thanks for watching guys.